In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to change your password on the fantasy football website. Why would you want to change your password? Well, maybe you have a weak password or you suspect somebody knows your password. So that's why you need to change it. First, we will generate a password using beatmypassword.com. That's a storageless password manager. Then we will change our password on the fantasy football website. The master password we will use is here. I already made a video on how to create a strong master password that is easy to remember. If you would like to watch that video, the link is in the description. So first we will generate the password. So let's go to the beatmypassword.com website. Enter the master password here, like this. And we will say what account reference we're using it for. Okay, there's our account reference here. We'll say fantasy football. And generate a password for the fantasy football website. This one here. Okay. Next, set the password on the fantasy football website. So let's go to the fantasy football website. When you log in, you'll see this. Click these tabs here so you can see your information on the right. And just go down to the bottom. Admin, user profile. Okay, and there should be an option here to change your password. Okay, let's type in the old password, which was very weak. My old password was, let's have a look. Oh my god, my password. I'm surprised I never got hacked. If I left it like this, I definitely would get hacked. So we'll change it to this password, which is very secure. Let's update the password. Okay. So, a few weeks later, maybe you will get logged out of the website for security reasons, or maybe you're using a different device. So you need to retrieve your password. How do we get our password back? Well, it's the same way we generated the password. We just need the master password. That's all we need to remember, the master password. And then we can go to the beatmypassword.com website. Okay, just like we did when we generated it, type in the master password, exactly like we did before. What account reference did we use? Well, it's fantasy football, so we'll pick fantasy football, and we can get our password back. And it's this password here that's very secure, but how can you remember this? I wouldn't be able to remember it. And then we go to fantasy football and we log in. Okay. Sign in. And we're signed in, and we can make our transfers. Okay. So I've been using this web application for around a month now, and I find it very useful to have a table like this saved on my laptop, or this information on my phone. It just has what accounts I am using the Password web application for. What password I'm used, master. Okay, I'm not going to write the actual password, I just remember what the master password is, and what account reference I used, what drop down selection I picked. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you are interested in passwords, I will make more videos in the future about hacking passwords. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.